Welcome to the wonderful world of cat nutrition, where what you put in your feline friend's bowl can make a world of difference. If you've ever wondered why cat food is such a big deal, let's dive right in. You see, nutrition plays a pivotal role in your cat's overall health and well-being. It's not just about filling their bellies, it's about providing them with the right nutrients they need to thrive. Picture this. You're a high-performance car, sleek and powerful. Now, would you fill your tank with low-grade fuel? Of course not. It's the same with our feline companions. Their bodies are intricate machines that require high-quality fuel to function optimally. And by fuel, we mean a balanced diet rich in proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. The right cat food can do wonders for your furry friend. It can boost their energy levels, making them more playful and active. It can support their healthy growth, ensuring they develop strong bones and muscles. It can help maintain an ideal weight, keeping obesity and related health issues at bay. And let's not forget, it can promote a shiny, lush coat, making your cat the envy of the neighborhood. But here's the catch. Not all cat food is created equal. Different cats have different nutritional needs based on factors like age, size, breed, and health status. For instance, a sprightly kitten needs a different diet than a sedate senior cat. And a cat with health conditions may require special dietary considerations. That's why choosing the right cat food is so crucial. It's not about picking the fanciest or the most expensive option on the shelf. It's about understanding your cat's unique needs and finding a diet that meets those needs. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. With a little knowledge and a dash of patience, you can become a pro at picking the perfect cat food. So remember, the journey to your cat's optimal health begins in their food bowl. Let's embark on this journey together, shall we? After all, our feline friends deserve nothing but the best. Before you can pick the perfect cat food, you need to understand what cats need nutritionally. At the heart of it all, cats are obligate carnivores. This means they require a diet high in animal protein to thrive. Amino acids such as taurine, which are found abundantly in meat, are vital for your feline's heart health, vision, and overall well-being. Now, fats are another crucial component of a cat's diet. They supply the most concentrated source of energy and help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Essential fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6 support a shiny coat, healthy skin, and robust immune function. You might think, given our own dietary guidelines, that cats need a hefty dose of carbohydrates. But that's not the case. Cats have a limited ability to process carbs, and hence a diet high in protein and low in carbohydrates is more suitable for them. Vitamins and minerals, in the right amounts, play a pivotal role in maintaining your cat's metabolic and physiological functions. For instance, calcium and phosphorus are essential for strong bones and teeth, while vitamins like B12 are necessary for nerve function and blood formation. But here's the catch. Not all cats have the same nutritional needs. Kittens, for example, require a diet rich in both protein and fat to support their rapid growth and development. Adult cats, on the other hand, need a balanced diet to maintain a healthy weight and overall well-being. Senior cats may require more protein to preserve muscle mass and fewer calories to prevent weight gain. Understanding your cat's unique dietary requirements at each life stage is crucial. For instance, a diet that's perfect for a sprightly kitten might not be suitable for a leisurely senior cat. In a nutshell, feeding your cat a balanced diet rich in high-quality protein, the right amount of fats, and a limited quantity of carbohydrates, coupled with the necessary vitamins and minerals, can help ensure they live a long, healthy life. Understanding your cat's nutritional needs can help you make informed decisions about their diet. Ever felt like you need a degree in nutrition science to understand cat food labels? You're not alone. Now, let's break down the mystery of cat food labels together. First things first, the ingredient list. It's arranged in descending order by weight, meaning the first ingredient is the most plentiful. Look for quality protein sources like specific meats or fish, not vague terms like animal byproduct. Cats are carnivores after all, and protein is vital for their health. Next, check for limited fillers. Fillers like corn, wheat, and soy can be used to bulk up the food, but they offer little nutritional value. Too much of these can lead to obesity and other health issues. Lastly, keep an eye out for artificial additives. While some preservatives are necessary for shelf life, artificial colors and flavors are unnecessary. Cats don't care about the color of their food, and they certainly don't need the extra chemicals. Remember, the devil is in the detail. A careful look at the label can reveal a lot about a cat food's nutritional value. Dry, wet, raw, homemade. The variety of cat food options can be overwhelming. Let's start with dry cat food, also known as kibble. It's convenient, cost-effective, and comes in a multitude of flavors. While it's a popular choice, it's essential to ensure the kibble you choose is high in animal-based proteins. On the flip side, the low moisture content in dry food can be a concern, especially for cats prone to urinary issues. Plus, despite popular belief, dry food doesn't necessarily improve dental health. Next up, we have wet cat food, which comes in cans or pouches. The high moisture content in wet food is a standout advantage, helping to keep your feline friend hydrated and supporting kidney and urinary tract health. It's also typically more palatable, making it a winner for picky eaters. However, it can be more expensive than dry food, and once opened, it doesn't stay fresh for long. Then there's raw cat food, a topic that stirs up a fair bit of debate. Advocates argue it's the most natural diet, mimicking what cats would eat in the wild. It's high in protein and low in carbohydrates, which aligns well with a cat's dietary needs. However, it also carries potential risks. Raw food can harbor harmful bacteria, posing a risk to both cats and humans, so it must be handled and stored correctly. Homemade cat food is another path some cat owners choose to tread. This option allows you to control exactly what goes into your cat's diet. But it's crucial to remember that cats have specific nutritional needs that can be hard to meet with homemade meals. If you opt for this route, it's advised to consult with a veterinarian or a pet nutrition expert to ensure you're providing a balanced diet. In the end, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best cat food for your furry friend depends on various factors, including their age, health status, and personal preferences. It might take a little trial and error to find the perfect fit, but the purring satisfaction of your cat will make it all worthwhile. Choosing the right type of cat food depends on your cat's individual needs and preferences. Just like humans, some cats have special dietary needs. Now this can be due to a variety of reasons, such as health conditions or allergies. For those feline friends with specific medical conditions, prescription diets may be necessary. These are specially formulated meals that help manage certain health issues like kidney disease or diabetes. But remember, these diets should only be used under the supervision of a vet. Moving on to allergies and intolerances, these can cause discomfort and even serious health issues in your cat. Common allergens include certain proteins like beef or chicken, dairy products, and even some grains. Limited ingredient diets can be a great option here as they reduce the chances of an allergic reaction by limiting the number of potential allergens. But let's not forget, each cat is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. When it comes to special dietary needs, your vet is your best ally. Ready to switch up your cat's diet? Slow and steady wins the race. When introducing a new food to your feline friend, it's crucial to remember that their digestion is sensitive. It's best to swap out their old food gradually over a week or two. Start by blending a small amount of the new food into their old meal. Then, progressively increase the proportion of the new food, while decreasing the old. Keep a keen eye on your cat during this period. If they show signs of digestive upset, like vomiting or diarrhea, it might be worth slowing down the transition or consulting your vet. It's also important to monitor their behavior and eating habits. If they're turning up their nose at the new food, don't panic. Cats can be notoriously picky eaters, but with a little patience and persistence, they'll likely adjust to the change. Patience is key when transitioning your cat to a new diet. With so many cat food brands on the market, how do you choose the right one? You start by doing your homework. Research reputable brands, scrutinize their ingredient lists and manufacturing processes. Look beyond the fancy packaging. Read customer reviews and testimonials for unbiased insights. And don't forget to seek advice from the pros, your trusted veterinarians. They can provide valuable recommendations based on your cat's specific needs and preferences. The right cat food brand can offer the perfect blend of taste and nutrition for your feline friend. So, there you have it, your complete guide to choosing the right cat food. We've journeyed through the essential nutrients your furry friend needs, the importance of reading those tricky labels, the pros and cons of different types of cat food, and how to make a smooth transition when switching diets. We've also touched on special dietary considerations and how to pick a reputable brand. Remember, the best cat food is the one that meets your cat's nutritional needs and tastes delicious to them. Here's to happy, healthy cats.